In this video, we will solve the question paper of J&K High Court Junior Assistant Exam for Jammu Division held in March 2025. The first question is, in the following questions, sentences are given with blanks to be filled with appropriate words. 4 alternatives are suggested for each question. Choose the correct alternative. So the first question is, the building is not safe and must be dash down. Options are pull, pulling, pulled, or pulls. So the correct option should be the building is not safe and must be pulled down. So C option should be correct. Then we have the second question is, there is something wonderful dash him. For this it should be B option, that is there is something wonderful about him. Then we have third question is, the song in the play cannot be deleted. It is dash to the story. So it is intervened, innate, exacting, or integral. So it should be integral. Then we have question 4. In the question 4 we have, she remained dash all her life. Options are spinster, bachelor, unmarried, or single. So the correct option is for question number 4 is A, that is spinster, a person who remains unmarried all his or her life. Then we have another question number 5. Do not stay in grasslands after dark, as some animals become dash when they see humans. Options are provoked, altered, aggressive, or threatened. So correct option should be aggressive. Then we have question from 6 to 9. In the following questions, choose the word opposite in the meaning of the given word. Okay. So for question 6 we have inoffensive. Inoffensive, it is opposite will be rude. Okay, offensive means rude, but offensive means okay, it's correct, because offensive means rude. Inoffensive, it is opposite will be obviously rude. Then we have question 7. We have divulge. It is it is opposite will be conceal. Then we have question 8. The opposite of discord is harmony. Then we have question 9. The opposite of mammoth is small. So mammoth means colossal, big. So it is opposite will be small. Then from question 10 to 13, we have, in the following questions, out of 4 alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meanings given in the word. So we need to find out the similar meanings. So we have for question number 10, lucidity. What exactly is meant by lucidity? It means clarity. Then we have celesty, which is question 11. So it means indecency, which is the similar to the celesty. Then we have question number 12. We have emulate, means trying to do as well. Then we have 13. We have preponderance. So it means domineering. Option C. Then we have question number from 14 to 18. What we need to do here, in the following questions, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. So one word substitution we have to talk out respect of something sacred, rather to talk without respect of something sacred or holy. It means blasphemy. Okay, so for 14, A option should be correct. Then we have question number 15. Murderer of a king means So we have matricide, genocide, regicide, or homicide. For question number 15, it should be regicide. Murderer of king, we say it is regicide. Then we have question number 16, that cannot be altered or withdrawn. So it means irrevocable. So A option is correct. For question 17, we have one who promotes the idea of absence of government of any kind when every man should be a law into himself. Question 17. So it means anarchist. So option A should be correct. Then we have question 18, a place where clothes are kept. So it is either closet or wardrobe, but options are wardrobe is being given. We use wardrobe in Indian subcontinent. So closet is also most probable, but the answer key goes with C option. Then we have question from 19 to 23. In the following sentence, question, some part of the sentences have errors and some have not. Find out which part is a sentence has error. The number of that part is your answer. If no error, then put D as option. Okay. So for question number 19, we have air pollution together with littering or causing many problems. So I guess for 19, this is not correct. Okay, or cannot come here. So there is error in the B option. Then we have question 20, which says the accused refused to answer to policeman. So again, to answer to policeman is not correct. For question 21, we have what is the use of me? No, the use of me does not make sense, so it has error. Then we have question 22, the ruling party stood for implementation of the bill and was ready to stake their political and where. So I guess in the third C option it is there is error. Okay, so then we have question 23. Question 23 says, because of the severe snowstorm and roadblocks, the Air Force dropped food because of the severe snowstorm and the roadblocks. And so I guess first part has error. Then we have question 24. From question 24 to 28, what we need to see, that we need to find out the idiom phrase, it is meaning. Okay, so to take to heart, what does this mean? It simply is to grieve over. Then we have 25, your managed service means excellent work. B option is correct. Then we have 26, to face the music means to bear the consequences. So for this it should be B option. Then we have to put up with. For 27 it should be to put up with means to tolerate. To call it a day means to stop doing something. To call it a day means to stop something. So A option should be correct. Then we have question number from 29 to 30. We need to change from active to passive or vice versa in the given question. So question 29 is, we have the agent has disclosed the secret before it was evening. Okay, 29 for this we are being given the secret was disclosed by the agent before it was evening. The secret had disclosed by the agent. No, the secret had been disclosed by the agent before it was evening. So this should be the passive voice for the given active voice. Then we have question 30. It says the teacher should check the homework. Okay. The homework should be checked by the teacher. The homework is checked. No, should be. Okay, so I guess A option makes sense here. So the teacher should check the homework. Its passive will be the homework should be checked by the teacher. Then we have the general awareness section from question number 31. So we have the first question. Dongfeng 100, which was in the news, is supersonic cruise missile of which country? Options are Iran, France, China, or Russia. So the correct option is China. Then we have question number 32, which says, where was the International Film Festival of India IFFI 2024 held? Its correct option should be Goa. Mostly the film festivals are held in Goa, so Goa should be the correct option. Then we have question 33. What is the origin of Sabarmati River that was recently seen in the news? So the origin of the Sabarmati River is Aravalli Hills. Then we have question 34, which says, which public broadcaster recently launched the OTT platform Waves? It is Prasar Bharati. Then we have question 35. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Global Peace Award for Minority Upliftment in which country? For 35, it is United States of America. Then we have question 36. Jobs at your doorstep. A jobs diagnostic for young people's report, which was launched by the government of India, is a report of which organization? Jobs at your doorstep. Okay. So who publishes the data for this? It is World Bank. So jobs at your doorstep report is being published by World Bank. Then we have question 37. When is Constitution Day celebrated each year in India? So it is 26th of November. We celebrate on every 26th of November is Constitution Day. Then we have question 38. Which ministry recently launched the national campaign Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat to make India free of child marriage? So it was Ministry of Women and Child Development. Then we have question 39. What type of patients does the Nikshay Poshan Yojana primarily target? Options are TB patients. That is the correct option for 39. Then we have question 40, which says, what was the theme for the World Food Safety Day 2024? So it was prepare for the unexpected. That was the theme of World Food Safety Day for 2024. Then we have question 41, which says, which organization recently supported the Greater Chennai Corporation to achieve the Sustainable Waste Management NSD? So it is B, World Bank. For question number 42, which institution has formed Free AI Committee to develop AI framework in financial sectors? For question 42, it should be RBI. Then we have question number 43, which says, what is the main focus of joint doctrine for cyberspace operation recently released by CDS? uh, it is ministry, rather military aspect of cyber operations. This is the correct option. Then we have question 44, which says, in which of the following Victor, Ambrose, and Gauri Rokun has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? For question 44, it was microRNA was correct option. Then question 45 says, what initiative has been implemented to optimize food grain movement? We have PM Kisan, PM Gati Shakti, then we have Digital India or Make in India. So it says food grain movement. Okay, for food grain movement it was B, PM Gati Shakti Yojana. Then we have Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology recently collaborated with which organization to host national stakeholders workshop on ethics of AI? So it is UNESCO. Then we have 47 says, which organization has recently issued an advisory regarding the unauthorized use of liquid nitrogen in food? So it was FSSAI, Food Security and Safety Association of India. I guess it is the acronym. Then we have 48. We have the AIFF FIFA Talent Academy was inaugurated in which Indian city? So it was Bhubaneswar. Then we have question 49. Who has been appointed by central government as chairman of 16th Finance Commission? Okay, for 16th Finance Commission, it was Arvind Nagaria. Then we have question 50, which says, India offered to host which edition of the Conference of Parties to United Nations Framework Convention on Climatic Change? So it was 33rd. Then we have, where was the Ocean Decade Conference 2024 held? It was in Barcelona, Spain. So this is the correct option. Then we have question number 52, which says, which bank has become the first private bank to open branches in Lakshadweep? For this, it is HDFC Bank. Then we have question number 53, which says, what does Article 21st of the Indian Constitution guarantee? So it guarantees right to life and personal liberty. Then we have question 54, which says, who won the title of Miss World 2024? So it was Christiana Sizkova. So D option is correct. Then we have question 55, which says the Attorney General of India is appointed by. So it is appointed by President. Then we have the questions from computer. First question, or rather question 56 is, which type of memory is used to store BIOS, basic input output system? For this 56, it should be ROM, random read only memory. Then we have 57, which says which component is responsible for arithmetic calculations in computer? So it is ALU. 57 is A. Then we have 58. What is syntax error? So it means error in program structure. So it is option B. Then we have which protocol is used to secure browser websites? It is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service, I guess it is the acronym. Then we have question 60, which says Which of the following is a volatile storage? So RAM, it is volatile. Hard disk, magnetic, or floppy disk, these are non-volatile. Then we have, what does URL include? URL, so protocol, yes. Domain name, path of the source, all are correct for this question. So D option is correct. All are included in URL, uniform resource locator, what we call. Then we have 62. What is the main purpose of proxy server? To filter requests and improve security, yes. Then question 63 is on the same page, that is, which unit is used to measure data transfer speed in the networks? So it is BPS, bits per second. Then we have question 64. What is the function of compiler? So compiler, to translate code from high level to machine language. Okay, so this is the work of, or the function of the compiler, to translate code from high level to machine language. Then we have 65. What is ethical hacking? So ethical hacking means using hacking skills to improve security, yes. Then we have question 66. What is the role of CAPTCHA in cybersecurity? So A option, to prevent automated bots from accessing system. Okay, that is the main purpose of CAPTCHA. When we fill C, F, D, E, when we are supposed, so we are filling CAPTCHA, so it prevents automated bots from accessing the systems. Then we have question number 67, that is, what is the primary purpose of 3D printing? So it creates three-dimensional physical objects, obviously. Then we have what does the term biometrics refer to? So for 68, it means measuring biological characteristics. Okay, analyzing DNA, studying echo, tracking fitness data. So A option should be the most probable answer. Then we have question number 69, which says, to produce high quality graphics, hard copy in color, you would want to use an, so inkjet, laser, or, so I guess it should be either laser printer or inkjet printer for 69. Then we have 70. Which of the following define the meaning of the RAM? So it's a memory which only be read. It's a memory which both read and written. It is a memory based environment. It is a memory which only, no, it should be B option should be correct. It's a memory which both read and written. Then we have the questions from the court work, that is, which of the following is not a type of court in India? So district, supreme, high court, or national tribunal. So national tribunal is not a type of court in India. Then we have question 72, which says, which court is the highest judicial authority in India? So it is obviously Supreme Court. Then we have 73. Which of the following is a criminal court in India? Sessions court, small case court, family court, or consumer court? So it is Sessions court, which deals in criminal cases. Then we have 74. What is the maximum term for a judge in the Supreme Court of India? So it is 65 years of age. Option C is correct. Then we have question 75. Which of the following courts deals with the matrimonial disputes like divorce? So we have, for this, it is the family court. Then we have question 76. It says, which of the following refers to the official record of the proceedings in the court? Diary. It is court diary or court transcript, judgment roll or FIR. So 76 it is court transcript. Then we have, which of the following in India handles appeals from the high courts and tribunals? So it is the Supreme Court. It is the highest court of appeal also. Then we have, in India, who has the power to pardon or reduce the sentence of a convicted person? So it is president is the authority. Then we have question 79. Which article of Indian Constitution provides right to constitutional remedies? So it is Article 32. Then we have question 80. That is the ultimate question. This was penultimate question 79. So this is ultimate question. A civil case involves disputes over, options are criminal activities, personal or property rights, traffic violations, or employment contracts. So it should be personal or property rights. That deals a civil case. Okay. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.